Hey guys, since this week's theme is about Mexico, I'll be teaching you how to make paper bag piñatas. To make this, you'll need a paper bag, multiple strips of tissue paper, any color will work, some string, a hole puncher or a pencil, a stapler, some glue. I recommend using the liquid glue, and some of your favorite candy. But if you don't have any candy, that's okay too. And some scissors. Alright, now let's get started. First, you're going to take your paper bag and you're going to open it up, but there's nothing in it. So now you're going to fill it with your favorite candy. But make sure you ask your parents if you can have some of that candy, because nobody wants to have a tummy ache. After that, you're going to fold up the top of the paper bag just a little bit, about that much. Then you're going to take your stapler, and on the sides of the paper bag, you're going to staple with 2 staples. After that, on the sides of the staples, you're going to use that hole puncher and you're going to punch holes in it. This is kind of hard, so you might want to ask your parents for help on this part. Once you finish with that part, you're going to take your tissue paper and your glue, and you're going to glue the tissue paper to the bottom of the bag, just like this. You're going to carefully place it, and you're going to make sure that you leave enough space at the bottom to where you can see the little danglies that we're going to make in just a second. You're going to glue all the way around, then you're going to take your scissors and be very, very careful with the scissors, please. You might want to ask your parents for help with this. And you're just going to cut out strips from the tissue paper that you already glued on. I think you should wait until the glue dries and then you should cut it, so that way the glue isn't moving the tissue paper so much. After you finish that, you're going to take your next piece of tissue paper and you're not going to glue it to where you can see the glue from the other one that you just did. Instead, you're going to glue it to where it'll cover the other part. But don't glue both. Don't glue the top and the bottom. You're just going to glue the top. You're going to do this step over and over again till your paper bag is completely covered with tissue paper. And they're all cut in nice little strips, just like this. Once you finish that, we're going to take some more strips of paper, and they don't have to be a certain size, but we're just going to glue them to the bottom of the bag. You don't even have to have them if you don't want to, but I think they're pretty. You're just going to take your glue and glue it on one side of the strip, and then glue it onto the bottom of the bag, and let it dry for just a little bit. After you've glued on your strips, the next part is to tie on the string. This part is a little tricky, so you might need to ask your parents for help on how to do this. Even I had some trouble doing this. But if you don't want to put on the string, that's fine too. It'd be nice just to have a piñata as a decoration as well. I hope you guys liked this activity, and I had really fun making it, and I hope you do too. I miss you guys all so much, and I hope to see you all soon. Stay safe, guys. Bye!